I can see it right now. What?
Here for a second.
What?
Look all these Chris Angel here. These are real handcuffs. See those safety? We're just painted with nail polish. Real? Oh fuck! It's a friend! Real handcuffs, see? Real. Now I'm gonna try to fight both Chris Angel. Watch that. Watch it slip and when you slip and dislocate your wrist, can I laugh?
I won't laugh.
This is when jacked up Chris Angel sees it.
I know, right?
These are hard.
Right. See, look at that. It's seeing me a dumbass and not a campus and I'm moving.
Watch this one break.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna break this bitch.
I
wouldn't. I'm just saying I wouldn't.
Say that's only not the
Give me 10 years of some water. I'll rust this shit. Get him some sandpaper, stick with a circle. What the fuck is this? I don't know what I'm doing. Getting down. Getting yourself. Use the bar to support yourself. I don't want to break my hand. Not sure with Casper. I thought you could go right through this.
I know, right? Casper, you can swim right through it.
You know what's happening? I'm going to buried in the Ah! Go with all your might.
So how you like him today, babe?
Handcuffs!
Okay, there's gonna have to be a second part to this.